Hi guys, it's me Kiran from Foodistan Travel, and today I am sharing with you a homemade cherry jam recipe. This is a very simple way to store cherries and enjoy in all 12 months. I live in Witzenhausen in Germany where we have cherries and cherry trees on roadside and we can take it for free. How amazing is this? Okay, so let's go and check the recipe. And before starting the recipe, please like and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travel. Also follow me on Instagram. Let's start. Thank you for watching my video. Please try this recipe. Also share your experience in a comment section below and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I come back. Till then, enjoy!